The Delhi court has framed charges against Sharjeel Imam, Asif Iqbal Tanha and 9 others in a case concerning alleged violence during the 2019 anti-CAA protest in the city's Jamia Nagar area. Now, Additional Sessions Judge Vishal Singh of Saket Court has said that Sharjeel Imam was not just an instigator in this case, but also the kingpin of a larger conspiracy to incite violence. The court has also rejected Sharjeel Imam's defense, and it has stated, and I quote, it cannot be accepted that the riots caused by crowds on public were completely a result of his speech. The court has further noted that Imam's speech was intended to instigate anger and hatred, which also led to unlawful assembly and violence. The court has also commented on the disruptive nature of the Chakka Jam or roadblock that was used in the speech, saying that there could be nothing peaceful about a Chakka Jam. This is to remind our audience that Delhi High Court has framed charges against Sharjeel Imam. My colleague Nupur, who reports from the courts for NDTV, joins us. Nupur, tell us about the strong observations that the court has made, and also with regard to the charges that Sharjeel Imam has been booked under. What do the final charges say?
Well, as far as the charges framed against Sharjeel Imam goes, the court has said that his speeches were calculated to evoke anger in a particular community against the other community, and in fact, the charges that the court has framed has called his speeches hate speeches, and has, in fact, termed him as the kingpin of the violence that took place during the anti-CAA riots of 2021. So the Delhi court that has framed the charges in its order has, made these observations and has, framed these charges on the submissions of the police that they have made with regard to those particular violence. It must be recalled that during that particular violence that happened across the city, several DTC buses were put ablaze by the protesting crowd. Stones were pelted. And there were widespread protests, violent protests across the city. Now the court has termed Sharjeel Imam as the kingpin of, and has in fact has the charges which are framed against him call him the prime accused, terming him as the prime accused, as it has observed that mere presence at the spot of where the protests and the violence occurred is not enough. Is not enough. In fact, he has been found to be making hate speeches, and those hate speeches were in fact circulated in groups of a particular community, that is a Muslim community, and the court the charges which are framed has in fact said that it seemed that these speeches were made with an intent to incite violence by one community towards another, and that's why we had only forwarded those videos of his while making those speech to particular groups which had only Muslim community members in them. Right. So also the court said that Sharjeel Imam's speech giving a call for Chakka Jam was actually in fact it could not be about any could not be termed as a peaceful speech, as Delhi is a metropolitan city and several medical facilities were halted, and daily life was halted because of these Chakka Jams. So court has made very strong observation about Chakka Jam speech also.
Okay.